Um, well, I'm in my room right now. I got, well, I got that new picture. Got that little puppet picture. I have my Adventure Time poster. Well, I know you're wondering why I'm telling you about posters. About all these posters I have in these pictures. Well, I'm going to be talking about posters today. And pictures. And calendars. And stuff like that. Okay, I will turn you around. Oh, and also paintings and certificates. Stuff like that, like stuff you can put on your wall. Okay, so I'll turn you around and you look at my Minecraft. I'm gonna take this. I have no idea what I think that pig. Hold on, let me closer. Oh gosh. The Ender Dragon. Stuff like that. I also have paint. Hold on. I have this painting I made, which was, I think, was Fourth of July last year. Yeah, last year. I wasn't very good at making stuff. And this is a certificate I got at my karate center for being the most respectful. Yeah, that was good. Now I will turn you. Okay. See, I have. Wait, I'm looking at it. I will put the strap there. This really cool. Let me get it down when I put it. Oh, okay. My uncle Richard drew this for me. I had a rabbit. Her name was Lucy. So, yeah, I asked him to draw. She died, and I asked him to draw a picture of her. So, gosh, sorry. My other karate painting. This one of my mom's friend's daughters made this one when I was a baby. And then I have this dog poster. That heart thing. Oh, how weird. Then this picture. Now there you got that poster. From the same mom. Calendar. And my puppy love poster. And that spider up there, that picture that I got. The spider, his name is Wesley. And we have I bought him at the dollar store. And we have a black one. Her name is Willow. Which is I have a big magazine. I think those curtains might count too. But now, now I have a dream catcher. And my other Adventure Time poster. Okay, by the way, if you don't know Adventure Time, My Little Pony, Minecraft, Wonder Woman or Lady Gaga. Then go search up MLP, Adventure Time, ADEV. And oh, the boyfriend, I can spell picture. ADVENTURETIME. Adventure Time, and then LADYGAGA. That's how I say that. And then did I say Wonder Woman? We'll just look up Wonder Woman. Everybody can spell. So yeah, basically anything that I said. Don't know. Yeah. You can subscribe to me and tell me what it was like if you watch my videos, so I know about all this stuff. If you don't if you talk about it to me, and you just keep going, and it's not real, then it's not real. Okay, so this section of the room, I'll cut out the part that I already showed you. Yeah. My shelf, my Uncle Richard Mason. I forgot to show you something on that wall with my Minecraft poster. It's another shelf that has cool stuff on it. Like, I love Wonder Woman and Captain America. And I like antique perfume. I don't use it. Man, it's strong. It's perfectly strong. Okay. This is Hippie the hippopotamus. Finn from Adventure Time. This is a Beanie Baby. He's English here. Beanie Baby. His name is Slippery. This is Ray, my stingray. My monkey fighting sock monkey. I hope I can get him to do it. Hold on. Okay. I hope he'll do it.
Everybody was
Get it up there. Dang it. Cheeser. This thing is fading away. This is Owen Owl down in wings. He's just no owl. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. His little leather beak. And then there's Owen's best friend, Mooch the monkey. They're best friends. That's because they're both black and white. No! It doesn't happen. Okay. Here's Rocket. Oh, wait. There's Rocket, the Blue Jay, and then Robin, his friend. She got in a fight with Rocket's sister. She did it. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Then this pouch, she lost her baby. A baby. And then I just got this one at 4th of July at Stanton. And I haven't came up with a name. That's where I got that puppy. That's one name, a lady. So, pouch and lady, everybody. And then I'll be up here with the shop. There's my cat poster. lion poster and my catnip poster. Now, go around it. Hot spot in my room. What's the hot spot is my beanbag. That's not mounted on the wall. My bookshelf. I have Supergirl comic. I think this is a collector's item. I've never touched it. Like, I haven't taken the plastic out off of it. I haven't washed it. I made this at one of my friend's birthday parties. Well, I didn't make it. I painted it. That is a big difference. Painting. Alright, I got this from my grandma, I think, for Christmas. It's her invisible car, but what it will look like if it were visible. And on the back says you can get Wonder Woman, Bane. I have no idea who Bane is, or Batman. Did you know that Wonder Woman and Batman are dating? Okay, one of my antique perfumes. Yeah, it's so old. Ugh. My grandma. My grandma smells it. It was well for a minute. Oh, hold on. Next I have some candy sticks or candy cigarettes. My dad told me I can't open them because his favorite, my favorite is Wonder Woman. His favorite is Captain America. He said not to ever open these. I'm not ever going to touch this. He's not ever going to touch this. I'm not ever going to touch that comic. And he's not going to touch. No, I won't. So. Yeah, and there's also a tattoo thing. These could be worth a lot in the future. So that's why we're going to take it. I got this somewhere. I haven't used it. I don't think I smell this one yet. It smells like dirty towels. Right after you got out of the bath. It's called Poem. This is the old school Captain America. They also have the one with the round shield. This is the new America. Oh, the old Captain America is pretty cool. What happened to my undergarment? I have you call the orb here. Oh! Okay. So I got this one for it's Wonder Woman, the new 52. And yes, it's from the DC Comics. And in the USA or Canada, it's $3. It's really good. I'll read it to you. I'm not going to show you the pictures on the back. They're pretty creepy. And there's some bad words in here, but I'll replace them with some other things. Let me sit back and read you an old story. Gunner's giving me fits this season. Man's earnings to be stacked, I'd say. Reckon it's time for a change. You might be right, eh? What's that then? Appears to be a horse. More like a dead horse. Let's have a look. I've read this thousands of times. Oh my gosh, You have no idea what the death was. Creepy. Jeez, what just... Jeez, what a stench. Something got hold of it? That's the biggest carp I've ever... Huh. Bloody heck. And it has... And then that. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. I love looking at that picture. It's so cool. But the tongue is pretty. No, Hermit. Give him a shake. You're... Whoops. Pat me on the head. Pat me on the face. That's one on him. I was thinking of... No, Hermit. No, Hermit. Give him the shape you're in. Those conditions. What? I'm not even showing. If I confront Hero, that leaves you two. 3. I'm projected. I can't allow that. One way of looking at it. You have another. Hey, you gotta admit. Hera knows you're Zeus's daughter. Keeping Zola close may actually make her more vulnerable. Tomatoes for breakfast. It's proper. Not where I'm from. Nora. God's a bit off, isn't it? Not saying, June. Enough for your messenger. I'm not gonna show you pictures anymore. Gosh, me. I hate this guy. He's bad. Imagine it. You're used to warm breakfast, lunch, and supper. It explains your kind of moods. Bring us a point, love. Mind if I sit? Who are you? Me, a man with... Okay, I'm not doing it. It's too confusing. And then this one is super pretty. Oh, yeah.
It's in his cage.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, my puppy.
Where's the phone at?
I don't know. I don't know what your phone is.
You get the phone?
Daddy. She's covered in flowers. I just want to show you this one picture, which is super creepy. It's not creepy, but I don't remember that book. Oh, yeah, I do. It'll become clearly that one, right there at the bottom. Creepy. Okay, I have to put this stuff back now. Okay, so it's been 19 minutes and 33 seconds. So I should probably end the video now. I hope that you liked my video. If not, it's okay. But if not, that's really, really mean. Um. So like.